Hi everyone, my name is Summer Gerard and I'm a service learner here at Monterey County Free Libraries and a student at California State University, Monterey Bay. And today I'm going to be teaching you the 6 Q's in ASL, the who, what, where, when, why, and how. So first time, I'm going to go through all of them one at a time. So I'll start with the sign for just the who, what, where, when, why, and how. And then I'll use an example of how that cue or question will be used in a sentence when asking a question. ASL grammar is different structured than English verbal grammar. So starting with who, thumb to chin, almost like you're making an L, hook the finger and wiggle it. Who, 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 who. Next, I'm going to use an example. So, for instance, when you're saying you're going to put the palm out towards the person you're talking to and say your, and pointing, it is you. So, your mom, who? Once again, your mom, who? This question is asking in English grammar, who is your mom? So, once again, who is your mom? But in ASL, your mom, who? For the second cue, it is what? So, palms up, fingers slightly curved, and as if you're waiting for something you put in your hands, you're going to wiggle or wave your hands back and forth like this. What? 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 And the example I'm going to use is your name, what? Which is going to be in English grammar, your name, what is your name? So, your name, what? Your name, what? What is your name? Your name, what? For the third cue, the where, we're going to point the finger, just kind of wiggle it back and forth like where, 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 where. An example for that would be you live, swiping up along the chest into thumbs up, live, this is live, where? So, you live where? You live where? This translates into where do you live? For the fourth one is when. So we're going to point both fingers with the right hand and bring the left one down. With the right hand, you will swish like a wand and touch. So when, 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 when. An example for that is going to be you work. Work is tapping of both fist to wrist. The right hand will meet on top of the left wrist. Work, work. When? So you work when? You work when. So that will translate into, in English grammar, that'll be, when do you work? So, when do you work? You work when. So for the fifth one is why. So why? So you take the middle finger, kind of wiggle it like you're scratching your head. So why? So why? So and the example is, you leave why? So you leave why? Let's translate into English grammar into, why did you leave? So you leave why? So why did you leave? For the final cue is how. So we're going to go like me, but it's more how. And you're going to put the hands down like this. So how. Just kind of rotating the hands down. So thumbs out, hands curved, and how. So the example I'm going to give is for, in this grammar structure, the how comes at the beginning. So, how you. How you. How you. Translating into English grammar is, how are you? So, how you. So once again, going through all the cues, we're going to start with who, what, where, when, why, and going with how. So going through one last time. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. Thank you today for joining me on the 6 cues of ASL.